start discussion about the digitalization. And let's introduce Vytautas from Energy Advice Company CEO. Today we will talk about SaaS platform and digital twin technology for the refrigeration system. And shortly, Energy Advice working more than 9 years, implemented more than 300 projects, and of course created value for our clients. And we have quite a lot of applications which we deliver to our clients, and it is related to drying process and to ventilation, district heating, biomass boilers, and buildings and glass production. But today we will talk about refrigeration system. Track records, we working with food processing companies, manufacturing, district heating, and building, of course. Today, why we are here, why we in general talking, because of growing financial burden, increasing electricity price, and all savings, all investments become feasible with quite good ROI, return on investment, because of high electricity price. We have push from a regulation part, CO2 neutrality questions, and today even push of reduction just electricity consumption because of gas price. Industry 4, we work a lot of, collect a lot of data, install smart meters, install monitoring system, and finally we cannot reach results. Why we don't reach results? Because a human should make analysis of the data and make the decision what to do next, but the human, when the human operates, usually it's too late to do something. So we need real-time system in order to achieve results. And it's very important today time to value, because if our project lasts long, to upgrade equipment is last long time, it costs, and it's very important to us to deliver projects very fast and then get results very fast with a good return on investment. So we need to have access to next level of energy efficiency, and time is critical for us. So what is the solution? Energy Advice produce a SaaS cloud platform. We are independent cloud provider. We don't depend on Amazon, Google, or Microsoft IoT. We are a full independent platform provider. And our scope is to create digital twin, which do data analytics in real time. And in real time, we do optimization of technological process, directly writing advanced process commands, advanced process control commands back to PLCs in order to get results. Nobody wants to get reports of how yesterday was bad numbers of our process. I would like to get numbers today that yesterday was control of my system perfect and I saved energy. I consumed energy at that level, I the best that I can. So in platform in general, it's business as usual. We have dashboards, reporting, of course, no code. You would access Python, mathematics, digital twin mathematics, and you would use this mathematics. It's quite standard solution, and you don't need to care about the code. You become just a user. And if we upgrade our systems, if we put a lot of monitoring systems, if we collect a lot of data, all this stuff do not allow us, in fact, get efficiency, what we need right now. Why? Because our production is changing over time. If a production is changing over time, we cannot control manually in the right way to achieve efficiency. So digital twin understand how your business consume cooling energy in that way, and optimize cooling machine operation and get efficiency, reduce electricity consumption. So we have jump with existing equipment, we have jump to the next level of energy efficiency through advanced process control from the cloud, sending back commands to the PLCs. So why it is possible? Because we create a system which is flexible and it's not time consuming, and you don't need hardware. You just install software which collect data from existing controllers. One critical point is that your PLC or SCADA should have capabilities to transfer data outside. Next, we have functionality for advanced process control. So functionality is standardized inside. So digital twin is absolutely standardized, and you take a refrigeration system, one stage compressor system, two stage ammonia, CO2, freons, and you use the standard digital twin. And of course, you have accessibility to different roles. And why does it work? Because you don't need any code on extra. You can put in our platform extra coding, but no code is required. Our algorithms already pre-trained, so you don't need half a year, 1 year to train something artificial intelligence and to do something in order to get results. No lock-in and self-service. So you just come, put the data, use the algorithms, write down optimum control each minute, optimum control ascending to PLCs, and you have results. We solved data collection issue. We created data collection software. It's called EA Energy Advice Data Collection software. And what is idea that this software could take data from OPC, Modbus, Profibus, Profinet, H1, Siemens protocols, CBus, many industrial protocols which is inside, and you just take data collection software, connect to the local intranet and use this and send data to the cloud. So it's everything standardized. Okay, real-time reporting, multiple layers and insights as business as usual. It's everything here. And pre-trained and digital twins, you can imagine that we have complex of pre-trained digital twins. It is for the building, ventilation, drying, boiler, and etc., and including refrigeration systems. So if you start business in industrial company with refrigeration system, you can add another processes together on one platform. Coming back only to the cooling issues, from 10 to 30% electricity energy we can save. 10% electricity savings we can guarantee. Usually it's achieved because of the automation level independently on which world size is allow us to reach this 10%. But 30% would depend highly on current situation of your refrigeration system. And of course, would depend how variation is on manufacturing process. Is it changing over time or during the day, night shift, day shift, and etc. So we collect data, store data. It's processed online, fully real-time process, and automated control when each minute optimized control set points are sent to the PLC. And of course, predictive maintenance questions, digital twin by itself capable to understand what is a technical situation with your equipment and do predictive maintenance. No different of what kind of refrigerant, no different is it single or multiple stage processor. It's no different is it 2 compressors or it's 20 compressors. Another part, components, condensers, evaporators, everything is digital twin understand with equipment which is working. Dashboards, reports, shortly saving your time, and 30% savings, it is what European Commissioning is requiring today as to reduce 15%. But for us, business as usual is to reduce 15%, 10% it's normal with digital twin solution. but in some cases it could be 30%. So European Commission requirements to reduce energy consumption is achievable only with digital twin technology. So 2 to 4 weeks we collect your data, install data collector software, make inventory of your existing, what is not only refrigeration, but also how you consume cold, because it would be like freezers, like cooling rooms, like your heat exchangers, for example, cool down milk or whatever. You would have chilled water or glycol loops. So we would inventory what's happening, data, up to 5 months, it's maximum. During this, after 2-4 weeks, so after 1 month, we start running digital twin, and with digital twin, review and start optimizing your system up to fifth month. After that, we close the project, and you become, okay, train 1-day trainings, and you become user, pay monthly fee, and be user of a cloud solution which operate in real time and control your system online. Our experience: Milvydas, my brother, PhD, Mantas, research analyst, Martinas is research programmer. We have company experienced people. Case studies: dairy product produce milk components, milk production, cheese and dairies, reduce electricity consumption by 20%. We can give you reference and you can speak with a technical director. Krekenavos agrofirma, we produce meat processing. We reduce 37% of energy consumption. Why? You would ask how and why? Because unstable or not fixed production with potential was to optimize till such extent. The timetable was the same: installation of data collection software and installation of digital twin. Digital twin we started optimize, and after optimization achieved such results. That case with a Krekenavo agrofirma I could open in our panel here. Please come to our panel and we will show how it really looks like from inside. So leap to the next energy efficiency level, and only with automated data analytics and advanced process control of your refrigeration system. Thank you for your time. Good luck.